Hello, students, on Thursday, January 4th. Boom. Okay, you guys, these two problems, they're similar to what we talked about yesterday. So, just letting you guys know, solving rational equations, the key is we have to get rid of the denominator, not the denominator, which is the bottom of the fraction. So we're going to come over here. So I've got to find the least common denominator. So I have a 3x here and I have a 3x there, so I know I'm going to have a 3x, but this term also has an x and I already have an x, so I just need to multiply every single term by what? 3x. So I'm going to do that. 3x, 1 over 3x. My next one is going to be equal to 3x times 1 over x. Add 3x times 2x plus 12 over 3x. I'm going to go slash off stuff. The 3x cancel out. I'm left with the 1. Over here on my next one, the x's cancel out, so 3 times 1 is a 3. Add the 3x and the 3x cancel out, so I'm left with what's up top, 2x plus 12. So I have that equation. All I need to do is go solve it, is then combine stuff. So I get 1, 3 plus, so I get 2x. 3 plus 12 is 15. So that's all I did, was go 3 plus 12 gives me 15, 2x. To solve it, I'm going to minus 15 from both sides. So I get a negative 14 is equal to a 2x. To solve, I divide both sides by a 2. So x is equal to a negative 7. And that's my answer. Right? The goal is to get yourself to an equation that you feel very comfortable solving. Over here, I've got to find my least common denominator, which is just x plus 1. So here we are, 2x plus 1. I've got to times this equation by x plus 1. And over here, I've got to go x plus 1, and I've got to times that by a 6. Those cancel out, so on this side I'm left with a 2, and I get this 6 and an x plus 1. I've got to go distribute, so that gives me a 6x plus 6 is equal to a 2. I have a nice beautiful equation. I'm going to minus 6 from both sides. That gives me a negative 4 is equal to a 6x. Divide both sides by a 6x. So x is equal to a negative 3. Excuse me. I'm saying negative 3. Negative 4 over 6, which is the same thing as going negative 2 over 3. That's what it simplifies to. But if you had that, give yourself a big, huge pat on the back.